Hello everybody, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the cube in a checkerboard pattern. And it is a super duper long formula, but it's really worth it at the end. It looks awesome. Okay, basically let's just start the formula. And you can start off with any color you want, but I just prefer white on the top and red facing me. But you can do absolutely any color you want. Okay, so let's do this formula. So the first move is the top one clockwise. Next is the top layer. Okay, wait, let's restart that. So the first move is the top layer clockwise. Next is the bottom layer anti-clockwise, so to the left. Next is the right-hand side layer 2 times. Next is the bottom layer 2 times. Next is the left layer upwards. Next is the right layer upwards. Next is the back layer going this way, like that. So the back layer going to the right. Next is the front face going clockwise. Next is the left side going up. Left side going up. Next, it's the right side upwards. Next is the back side to the left. Just checking that's right. Yep, it's to the left. Next is the middle layer. So the middle layer along with, so these 3 middle lines, just gonna do that 2 times. So that's once and then twice. Next, it's this back layer going to the right. Next, it's the front layer going clockwise. Next, next is this layer, and you have to turn it so that layer, you have to turn it 2 times. So once, twice. Next, we have to do the front layer anti-clockwise. Next is the left-hand side going down. Next is the right-hand side going down. And then the front side going clockwise. Next, this left layer again going 2 times. So once, 2 times. Next, the back layer going anti-clockwise. So wait, sorry, no, not anti-clockwise. The back layer going this way, like that. Next is the front layer going anti-clockwise, like that. Next is this left middle layer going 2 times. Next, it is the right layer going 2 times. Next, it's the front layer going anti-clockwise. Next, it's the left-hand side. The left-hand side going down, I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's down. Next is the right-hand side going down as well. Next, the front face going clockwise. Next, this middle layer going 2 times, once, twice. Next, the front layer anti-clockwise. Yep. Next, the bottom layer 2 times. Next, the right layer 2 times. And the top layer anti-clockwise. And then the bottom layer to the right. And so don't change your cube, but we're almost there, just 16 more moves to go. And yeah, it looks kind of, we're halfway there, like we're doing pretty good so far. So we've got the outer checkerboard, and then we just need to get the inner checkerboard as well. But so now what we're going to be doing. Okay, so sorry for the pause in between, but so we're halfway. We're almost there. We've got the outer one. We just need to get the inner one. Well, we're not halfway there. Actually, we're 2/3 of the way there. So just 16 more moves. And don't move your cube. So hold it in the exact same position as it was. And this time we're doing double layered turns. So what that means is every time I say the right side, I mean the 2 right hand layers. Every time I say top, I mean the 2 top layers. Bottom is these 2, left is these 2. Front is this one and the one below it. So these 2, those 2. Back is these back 2. Right there. Okay. So let's get started on the next part of the formula and the final part, okay? So first of all, we have to do the left hand side downwards. So the 2 left hand side layers downwards. Next, the 2 layers on the bottom to the right. Next, the 2 left hand side layers 2 times, so once, twice. Next, the bottom layer the 2 bottom layers to the left. Next, the 2 right layers upwards. Next, the 2 back layers going to the right, like that. Okay, next, the 2 left layers 2 times, so once, twice. Next, the 2 front layers clockwise, like that. Next is the 2 bottom layers going anti-clockwise, so to the left. Next is the 2 right layers going 2 times, so once, twice. Next is the 2 top layers going clockwise, like that. Next is the 2 left layers going upwards. Next is the 2 front layers, so 2 layers facing you, clockwise. Next, the 2 right layers 2 times, so once, twice. Next, the 2 front layers anti-clockwise. And the final move is the 2 right layers going down, and you have your cube in a checkerboard pattern, and it looks absolutely awesome. And the good thing about this is it doesn't just form on this side, it also forms on the other side, and it looks absolutely epic. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you liked it, please make sure to hit the like button, which is right down there, as well as the subscribe button, which is right next to it. And bye, see you in my next video.